First of all, I warm welcome to all because today we are actually gathered here specially for play the GD, and the topic of GD is should temple be government, yes or no, right? According to me, that today there are few participate, okay, and I hope the participate will take risk to speak proper, and that with us Moshim is also there, and the Moshim is senior actually, okay, and I hope that let's we start first of all from Neha Jadhav, because she know that everything, and she did already that whatever actually we just given study, I mean given that subject, right? She already studied about that, but the state of my mind actually the temple should be on government sector, because the government sector is compatible for temple, because many people actually personally not attention to the temple, but if the temple might be under of the government responsible to keep one employer as a security there, right? The security actually attention to the temple 24 hour, right? So I just given you that few suggestion on the topic. So let's we start from Neha. Yes, Neha.
Yes, sir. Hi, everyone. Starting. Hi, everyone. Good morning. It's me, Neha Jadhav, and today's our GD topic is should temple government or private. I think, guys, yes, both are well better. I think, guys, should temple should private also, because in government sector many sometimes private sorry in government sectors many duties take some rupees for workship for other people's many people. So I think that, guys, private sector also important means private sector also well better, because they have also many security guards, and they and government sector also security guard. So today, sorry guys, I have no idea about that topic, so sorry. Thanks for having with me.
Yes, actually Neha said well, but she don't have proper idea. Means she didn't have proper idea. Therefore, actually she unable to speak proper. But I hope that next speaker will take responsibility to speak proper. I hope that from Neha, let's we start. I mean from Supriya. I mean Priya.
Hello everyone, it's me Priya, and today's our GD topic is should temple be government or private. I think that temple should be government, because in government sector government attention 24 hour on temples, and government guys, many government temple like Balaji temple, Kedarnath and Badrinath, etc. There is many facility for temple. There are many facilities provided by government, because many times government provide to many big temples, government provide many armed force only for the temples, and they secure to temple, and government provide all things to temples, and whenever the part of any temple broken down, that after immediately government make this part. That's why government temple is better than private. So thanks for having with me.
Yes, it's a really correct actually, because according to the Priya, the temple should be on government area, because the government take risk to protection. Even the government allow the one security to attention 24 hour on the temple. But I totally disagree with you, dear Priya, because many people actually just count from everyone, right? Means at least the people just take risk to count at least 1000 rupees from per person. No, this will also better. That means there will not be a connection between us and government, right? I think that the private sector is totally better, because private temple is always better than government sector, because in private sector, in private temple actually we can go that anytime we can go, right? And there will be the security from us, right? The security also as our friendship, right or not? Therefore that in private temple actually we can go that anytime. And unfortunately that if there will be the one function, then on this function we can keep the one big program also behind behalf of this day, right or not? On behalf of that god, if the god might be very famous, just like Shiv Shankar god temple might be there, right? We can take one example of Jhodge, right? In Jhodge that there is also one Hemalpanti temple, right? The temple is so actually amazing that on every stone actually there is a design, right? The temple is also at few year ago the temple was in government under, but some because of some problem means the temple pivot. Do you know pivot means the temple of one flag is there, over the temple one flag is there, okay, we call that pivot, right? The pivot actually fell down automatic by the some year, right? So the temple actually little bit fell down at the down, right? So that the people actually took risk to make again that temple. Therefore actually I really hurt the government, because government not take action immediately. Whatever actually that happen on the temple, no, the government not take risk to attention earlier, right? Therefore it is better to we personally attention to the private temple, because private temple we can easily just make out the design also by demanding the some employer, right or not? Therefore I think the government therefore I think the private temple is very better than government. Yes.
Yes, sir, you totally right. But you told that in Jhodge people take risk, but many times, but every time not people take risk. But for government, in government temple, government attention in on any time on temple.
Yes, you absolutely correct, dear. Because most of the people, I totally agree with you. Most of the people actually they don't get the time, because nowadays, especially the Khandesh people, always their mood is in farming, right or not? Therefore, they will not get the time to special attention on the temple. But if the temple might be under of the government, so definitely that if the government get the notice about the temple, definitely that anyhow they will come till end of the evening, right? Therefore I think according to the Priya, that all is very correct. Okay, then private. Yes, Moshim, what's your point on the today's topic?
Hi guys. So our today's topic is, should temper is shifted in a government sector. So I think that it should not, because we know that the condition of a government sector, and nowadays government is also transferring their sector into the private, because of they don't have the such kind of process or such kind of maintenance facilities to manage the all things. And we should try to focus on the other, means government should try to focus on the other fields, just like education, and so many things are in our India which is have to process in we have to process in that, because of our means because of the poverty is also is available in our India in a such kind of in a huge amount. So we should try to focus on it, and we should, means we can transfer the temples in the private sector, because private sector have the proper management, and they can maintain it very kindly, and they perfectly also. So whatever is a problem in mandirs and religious point are the means there is a lot of peoples to take to take a bless from God, and there is a risk of terrorism also. So they, if they have the proper management of the security, then we can protect our people by the terrorist and terrorist attacks. So thank you.
Okay. I think Moshim, you totally correct, because you said me that I think the state of my mind, there is no connection between people and temple, right? But he said that the people is also role of temple, and if the poverty people means place of temple, if the government will attention on poverty people, this will better than, this will be big news than temple, right? Like that actually he said. Okay, yes, absolutely correct, Mushim. You said totally well. So that with us one of the most popular ma'am is there. Okay, that her name is Harshita ma'am, and I hope that what exactly her point of view on today's topic. Should temple be private sector? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am.
If it is in private sector, there will be the quarrel between many communities, because in our Hindu communities, most of other communities are there, means Christian, Sikh, others. Means there will be different temples. So in private sector, we have to take care about that, because if some people means
To help to each other.
हाँ
Okay, yes, absolutely correct, ma'am. Actually, ma'am trying very best, because she is in formula chart, but also she try very best. Yes, really thanks. And the topic actually not over, because one student is here with me. That the name of this student is Riyanshu. Please, what's your point of view, Riyanshu?
So guys, my point of view is that the temples are shifted in private, because in private sectors there are many there are many sponsors and dads, so they give money to expand temples or that, and government places are there, they will make their hospitals and education. So guys, my point of view is that to shifted in temples.
Okay, very good. Yes, according to Riyanshu, that the temple should be shifted on government, because government is sufficient for then everything, right? Yes, according to Riyanshu, that the temple should be shifted on private sector, because government not attention properly to the temple on this spot. Quickly, actually, there is no what we call that. There is no solution, right or not? The solution will happen especially by help of us, right? If there will be if the temple might be on private sector, so definitely the people 24-hour actually attention on the temple, and hardly actually they take the bless from the God, right? You are just taking example of let me give the example of that what we call Verud, that there is also we call him Leni is there, right? That that all actually temple under of the government, I think that, right? Because you might have seen that one book, in this book also, that tourist place, the place is very special as a tourist place in the India, right? Therefore I think that everyone actually spoke so nice, and today actually we over our session. So thank you all. Thank you.